Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular beginner DSLR comparisons out there, Nikon D5600 versus Nikon D3500. If you're stuck choosing between these two powerful yet affordable cameras, you're in the right place. I've tested both, and I'll break everything down in a simple, real-world way so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Specifications: the Nikon D5600 comes equipped with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering sharp, detailed images with excellent color reproduction. It features Nikon's Expeed 4 image processor, which helps maintain fast performance and good low light handling. One of the standout aspects here is the ISO range, stretching from 100 to 25,600, allowing flexibility in various lighting conditions. The D5600 offers a 39-point autofocus system with 9 cross-type sensors, which makes focusing more accurate and reliable, especially for moving subjects. Continuous shooting reaches up to 5 frames per second, which is decent for casual action photography. On the video side, it supports full HD 1080p at 60 FPS, delivering smooth and high-quality footage. The camera also includes a 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which is incredibly useful for vlogging, creative angles, and easy navigation. Connectivity is another strong point, with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC through Nikon's operating system, making it easy to transfer images instantly. Battery life is solid too, offering around 970 shots per charge. The Nikon D3500 also features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, but it lacks an optical low-pass filter, resulting in slightly sharper images. It uses the Expeed 4 processor as well, ensuring consistent image quality and performance. The ISO range is identical, from 100 to 25,600, making it equally capable in low light situations. However, the autofocus system is simpler, with an 11-point AF system. MIMO performs well for still subjects. It's not as advanced for tracking moving objects compared to the D5600. Continuous shooting is also 5 frames per second, similar to its sibling. For video, the D3500 records full HD 1080p at 60 FPS. The display is a 3.0-inch fixed LCD, which means no touchscreen or articulation, something that might matter for vloggers or creative shooters. Connectivity is more limited, offering only Bluetooth via SnapBridge. But where the D3500 shines is battery life. It delivers an impressive 1,550 shots per charge, making it one of the best in its class. Overall, the D3500 is designed to be simple, efficient, and beginner-friendly. Features: when comparing Nikon D5600 versus Nikon D3500 in real-world use, the difference comes down to convenience, control, and flexibility. The D5600 feels more modern with its touchscreen interface, better autofocus system, and full connectivity options. It's clearly designed for users who want more creative freedom and smoother workflow. On the other hand, the D3500 is built for simplicity. It strips away extra features to deliver a straightforward, beginner-friendly experience with excellent battery life and reliable performance. If you prefer a lightweight camera with fewer distractions, the D3500 makes a strong case. But if you want more control and versatility, the D5600 stands out as the more capable option. Nikon D5600 features vari-angle touchscreen, 39-point autofocus, SnapBridge connectivity, Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth built-in, time-lapse mode, touch focus control, external mic support, advanced scene modes, remote shooting. Nikon D3500 features beginner guide mode, lightweight body, long battery life, simple controls, Bluetooth connectivity, quiet shutter mode, compact design, easy interface, fast startup time, affordable pricing. Build quality and design. The Nikon D5600 has a slightly more premium feel compared to the D3500. It features a well-contoured grip that fits comfortably in hand, even during long shooting sessions. The body is made of durable polycarbonate, keeping it lightweight while still feeling sturdy. The button layout is thoughtfully designed, and the touchscreen reduces the need for excessive button navigation. Its vari-angle screen is a major highlight, especially for vloggers and creative photographers. You can shoot from high, low, or even front-facing angles with ease. Despite its compact size, it doesn't feel cramped, and overall ergonomics are excellent. The D3500 is even lighter and more compact, making it extremely travel-friendly. Nikon redesigned the grip slightly compared to older models, making it deeper and more comfortable to hold. While it lacks the premium touches of the D5600, it still feels solid and reliable. The fixed screen may feel limiting, but it keeps the design simple and durable. Button placement is straightforward, which is great for beginners who don't want to feel overwhelmed. Overall, the D3500 prioritizes ease of use and portability over advanced design features.
Pros and cons. Looking at the pros and cons of Nikon D5600 versus Nikon D3500, it becomes clear that each camera targets a different type of user. The D5600 offers more advanced features and creative flexibility, while the D3500 keeps things simple and efficient. Your decision should depend on whether you value ease of use or expanded functionality. Nikon D5600 Pros: excellent autofocus, touchscreen display, flexible screen, strong connectivity, creative control. Nikon D5600 Cons: higher price, average battery, no 4K video, plastic body, slightly heavier. Nikon D3500 Pros: great battery, very lightweight, easy to use, affordable price, sharp images. Nikon D3500 Cons: limited autofocus, no touchscreen, fixed screen, no Wi-Fi, basic features. Full comparison breakdown. When comparing the Nikon D5600 and D3500 side by side, it really comes down to your needs and experience level. The D5600 clearly targets users who want more creative freedom, offering a better autofocus system, touchscreen controls, and a fully articulating display. It's a fantastic choice for vloggers, content creators, and enthusiasts who want more control over their shots. On the other hand, the D3500 shines as a beginner-friendly DSLR. It simplifies photography with its guide mode and straightforward interface. While it lacks advanced features, it delivers excellent image quality and unbeatable battery life, making it perfect for casual users and travelers. If you value flexibility, connectivity, and creative shooting angles, the D5600 is the better pick. But if you want something simple, affordable, and reliable, the D3500 is hard to beat. Both cameras share the same sensor quality, so image results are quite similar. Your decision mainly depends on features and usability.
All right, that wraps up our comparison of the Nikon D5600 versus Nikon D3500. Hopefully this breakdown made your decision a whole lot easier. Whether you go for the feature-packed D5600 or the beginner-friendly D3500, both cameras are solid choices. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Thanks for watching Camera Lab, and I'll see you in the next one.